Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 14 for our gym management system in Django. And in this video, we are going to manage the discount of the multiple months payment from the backend section. Okay. In our previous video, we have implement this checkout page and we have seen that how we can show this and how we can calculate the discount with the jQuery. Now, this is currently these values are static. Now in this video we will see that how we can manage this from our backend section. Okay, so let's start to do this. Okay, so first thing that we will do, we will create a model for our discount package. Okay, so let's say package discounts. Okay, and in this model you will get an idea that how we are going to manage these things. Okay, so I will say plan discount. Okay, and in this I will extend the main model. Okay, so the first thing will be that how many months for this, how many months for the discount. So I will say total months. Okay, so this will be an integer value, so this will be integer value. Okay, and then we will say total discount. So these are the percentage value, only the numeric field. Okay, so we will say integer field. Okay, and we will also here define. Okay, so this will be integer field. Okay, so now we will return, just we will simply return by default when we create the object of this class, then we will simply return the total months. Okay, and we need to add with this, we will add this with subplan. Okay, so we will add this with subplan. So here we have a subplan foreign key. Okay, so fine. Okay, so let's create the migration for this model. Py manage.py make migrations, make migrations. Okay, okay, so py manage.py migrate. Okay, so now let's go to the admin section. I will open the admin, where it is here. Okay, and let's add this discount in our admin. Okay, so we will simply say a plan discount admin, and here we will add this, and from the model we will simply fetch the plan discount. Okay, we don't need these things, and we just need the total months. Okay, and total discount. Okay, and we also need this, that which plan for this discount and total months. Okay, we are going to show also the plan. Okay, so we have created the admin. Now let's go to the admin, refresh the page. So I have okay, we need to start the server. Py manage.py run server. Okay, so let's refresh the page now. So we have plan discount. When we click on this, we have plan. Now we will add the plan like basic. So we have total months 2, and for 1 month we have discount 0. Okay, save. And so why it is saying that plan discount add returning. Okay, we need to return string rather than we are returning an integer field. We need to return string. So what I will do here, I will just simply make it string. Okay, so that it is saying that it should be string. I will restart the server. Why it is taking so time? Okay, let's refresh the page. We will go to plan discount, and here okay, that has been not added. let's add this again. So total months 1 and discount is 0. Save this, and we have basic total months 1, discount 0. Let's add one more, basic and total months, like say 3 months and discount is 10%. Save. Okay, and let's add one more, basic 6 months and we have a discount 20%. Okay, and let's add one more, 12 months and discount 30%, and save. We will implement all our feature on this, on the basis of the basic plan. Okay, so now we have created the discount according to the plan, and we have added the months and we have added the discount. Now we need to fetch the values here, and we just need to calculate that. We just need to replace the values with the static values. Okay, dynamic with the static values. Okay, so what we need here, we need this tr in the loop. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will simply, I'll copy this. Okay, so copy this thing and paste it here, and this will be discount, discount in plan, and it will say plan discount set all, and this will be discount dot, and what we are going to show here, this is payment 4, this is okay, so this should be, this tier should be in the for loop. Okay, and let's remove other trs. Okay, let's remove the other trs. Okay, now we need to go to the pricing page, and we will go to the basic plan, and here we have a 1 month, 1 month. Okay, so what we will do, discount, and discount here, what here we will discount dot total months, month. So this is, so what is the name of the total months? Okay, so that it is not coming total months. So this is 1, 3, 6, 12, whatever. Okay, now we will, here we will add, so where we are adding the discount here. Okay, and here we will add total discount. Okay, total discount. So this will be, and we will add the percentage sign statically. So 0%, 10%, 20%, and 12%. We need also to replace the static values. So where it is, so it is here. So discount is here. Okay, and value will be the total month. Okay, so everything is, now everything should go fine. So let's refresh the page, and when we click on this, we have 150 as it is. When we click on the 3 months, okay, so why it is not clicking the 3 months, because the id of id of the every element is same, so we need to change this id. So what I will do, I will just simply say discount.id, so that it will take the primary id, and this will be unique, as you know that. Okay, so 1 month. Okay, we need to change this in the label also. So here. Okay, okay, so this 1 month, 3 months, so this is 6 months, 12 months. Okay, and if you go to the other, like a get started page, then they have no discount. Okay, and you need to proceed to the payment. Okay, and one thing more, I have changed this is with this value was static, so that I have changed this. Now we are getting this value from the variable. Okay, so now we are managing the discount from our database. In this video, I just want to show you that how we can do that. Okay, and I will upload all the code on GitHub, so that you can download that. Okay, so I will give that description of the GitHub link in the description. Okay, and if you have any doubt, any query, then please add in the comment section. And I'm also try to make the message board website, where we can communicate with your queries, and we will try to solve to all of your queries. Okay, on the message board, I'm trying to create that website. Okay, So thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe this channel. And if you are new, then please subscribe and click the bell icon, and please like this video. Okay, thank you so much.